welcome back to the channel. Sorry the lighting is weird. Obviously I'm in the car and I've got Zoe here with me. Hey. We are headed down to Disney World. We left at about 7 a.m.-ish this morning. We've made a couple of stops for some food, some coffee, some gas. It's currently 11:39. We got a call just a little while ago. We are booked for just one night at Pop Century Resort, and they called us to upgrade us to Coronado Springs. So we mainly booked Pop Century because we wanted to be next to the Skyliner, but we were like, you know what, we'll find some opportunities to ride the Skyliner elsewhere in the trip. We're gonna upgrade, we're gonna be a little bougie and go over to Coronado, and I'm praying that we have a room in Grand Destino Tower because that would be so cool. I have a feeling it won't be. I have a feeling it'll be one of the regular rooms around the resort, but if we're in the tower, that would be dope. We are here for 4 days? 5-ish if you include today. Yeah. 5 days, so we basically have a park per day, but we do have park hoppers, so we'll be hopping around. So gonna be filming the whole trip, and make sure you subscribe to enjoy it with me. Okay. So we just went to the Orlando Premium Outlets at Vineland.
You know you have the fan on. It's very loud.
It's automatic, and I have to wait for it to turn off. It's fine. I'll just talk really loud.
Okay.
And we got absolutely soaked. As you can see, we smell like literal wet dogs. It's disgusting. But
you can see that we smell.
Smell-o-vision.
I'm sorry. I had to say it.
As you can see. But we're at Coronado Springs. Like I said, we got upgraded from Pop Century. I was really hoping for a Grand Destino Tower room when I even asked, but she said they were sold out. So here we are. We're in the cabanas. So, as you walk in, got a little seating area where I've unloaded all of my stuff. Got a little Keurig ice bucket situation. Pretty sure there's a fridge in here. Looky there. Nice little mini fridge. Light, which is super nice. Got tons of drawer space, which is really good if you're here for a while. Love that. 2 beds, a little nightstand with a phone where you can get a wake-up call from Mickey Mouse himself. And then we've got these gorgeous little barn doors. A little jank maybe. Full-length mirror so you can check the outfit. Wardrobe, got everything you need. Hair dryer, iron, all the stuff. Plenty of bathroom storage. Like, there is so much cabinet space. Like, you could live here for a month, honestly. Fold out mirror, and then your really noisy shower and toilet. That's that room.
Get it. Okay. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Updating this vlog and this vlog at the same time. Okay, so I'll sit right here so I can speak to all of you. I would like to speak to all of you. Thank you. So the plan is, first of all, look at the glitter on my leggings already. So I have a Joanne order that I need to pick up, but we're too lazy for that. So I placed another Joanne order for 2 more fabrics that I need for orders. And so we're just gonna have a courier, like an Uber Eats guy, go pick it up and bring it here tomorrow though, or to the other hotel that we're at tomorrow. And we ordered macaroni grill. And we spent way too much money, but it's fine because we've been driving all day. You know how it is. We just want to relax, like, and it's also the night before our Disney trip really starts, and you're tired at Disney, so we just need to rest and recuperate, rejuvenate. It's happening. So yeah, we're just sitting here making ears, literally making ear orders, as you can see, because that's what we do. So we're gonna sit here and do this, wait for our Uber Eats to get here, and have just a little chill old time.
That reminds, what's it?
So it is a couple of hours later to now, honestly. I mean, we've made maybe 10 pairs of ears tonight. Like, we've been cranking through stuff.
More than that.
Maybe, seriously, a lot of ears.
Pan to the ear.
It's let me just, so that's a pair of ears. This is a whole pile of ears. This this backpack is full of ears.
And the one on the floor.
There's ears here. There's ears there, like
Ears on, ears on.
they're everywhere. We watched Princess and the Frog and Moana while we did stuff, and then I hopped in the shower, as you can see, because my hair was disgusting from the rain, and then I put on my tan, and then I just put on my nails that I like to have to take cute photo pictures and foodie pictures while I'm around the parks. So our plan for tomorrow is we're gonna get up around like 6-ish, and we're actually going to drive over to Pop Century, mobile order some Mickey waffles there. That's the best way to start your vacation. Take some pictures, because we had some picture ideas, because obviously we were originally staying at Pop Century instead of Coronado. Take some pictures there, park, and then hop on a little old Skyliner and head over to Epcot, so that we can enter through the back entrance where it's a little bit less crowded. And my arm is literally aching. And yeah, be there for rope drop. So that is our plan for tomorrow morning. I feel like this vlog is not much of a vlog. So I don't know where I'm gonna end this video. Maybe I'll tag on some haul footage on the end of this to make it a little bit more interesting. We shall see, but yeah. Okay.